और आएंगे नगमों की खिलती कलियां चूमने वाले मुझसे बेहतर।
In the journey of life, companionship becomes our anchor. As we age, the need for friends and caretakers becomes paramount. We are not meant to navigate the journey alone. Man Ka Tilak is a vibrant home where senior citizens find renewed spirit, joy, and a loving environment that cherishes their wisdom and experiences.
All elderly people beyond a certain age are just like children. They require the same attention, the same love, the same care, warmth that a child requires. But running an old age home, it's very important to ensure that mental and physical health both are taken care of.
Epsilon Foundation stepped in to support Man Ka Tilak in December 2020 to facilitate comfort, safety, nutrition, and good health for senior citizens as they rightfully deserve.
In your life, there comes a time when you need to have like people around you, you need to talk to them, you need to vent out yourself, you need to have somebody to look you after and to support you. We thought that we should do this one.
It is ensured that their feelings are responded to with a supportive atmosphere of empathy and respect.
So we have our own ways of ensuring that. We have regular health checkups, we have tie-ups with medical facilities, doctors come in, homeopathic doctors come in, Ayurvedic doctors also come in, we have workshops, we have a yoga teacher who comes in, and it's not that we're experts in anything, we are also learning. So with each and every resident who comes in, it's a brand new story and a brand new learning.
सबसे पहले जब अंकल और आंटीज़ कोई भी हमारे पास क्वेरी के लिए आते हैं या जो फर्स्ट डे पे आते हैं, तो जो उनके भाव होते हैं, जो उनके इमोशंस होते हैं, उस टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा सैड होते हैं क्योंकि कुछ ना कुछ ट्रॉमा फेस करके आए होते हैं. बट लेटर ऑन जब हमारे साथ रहते हैं, कुछ दिन बिताते हैं, उसके बाद जो उनके फेसेस होते हैं वो इतने एक्सप्रेसिव हो जाते हैं उसके बाद कि हाँ मतलब उनको ये घर लगता है अपना. तो वो जो एक फीलिंग होती है कि हाँ ये हमारा घर है, और तो वो जो उनमें ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होती है यहाँ पे रहने के बाद, वो सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे अच्छी लगती है. और वो यहाँ पर एक पॉजिटिव चीज़ मैं आपको बताऊँगी कि ये उनकी पॉजिटिव चीज़ मुझे लगती है.
Each day commences with a morning prayer, followed by invigorating yoga and exercise sessions, leading to breakfast. After their first meal, residents gather in the courtyard to engage in their preferred activities.
और यहाँ का पूरा स्टाफ बहुत अच्छा है. ये बच्ची रश्मि है, जुनेज है, बहुत पूरा ध्यान रखते हैं. मैं 2 बार गिरी भी हूँ, चोटें भी मुझे लगी, पर इन्होंने ऐसा मेरा ध्यान रखा है कि अपने घर के तो मेरे क्या ध्यान रखते हैं. इसलिए मतलब यहाँ जो मेरी बची कुछ ही ज़िंदगी है, मैं अपनी खुशी से काटना चाहती हूँ.
We deeply understand the value of a positive and uplifting atmosphere and make every effort to ensure that they are always smiling with vibrant and happy energy.